Hey, it's Dana, and today we are unboxing another maker's order. Today we have an order from Cavo, and I'm gonna be honest, I made these orders a little while ago, so this might be a little bit new to me. Let's see what we have. I'm gonna use our handy dandy wick bar to open this box. It is my favorite tool. Is really well packaged. Oh. I am a sucker for a cute thank you card. Love the colors. Nice. Intact. I can smell this candle from here. I smelled it as soon as I opened the box. So I had ordered a candle called After a Good Cry. Because you know, sometimes you need a good cry, and a good smelling candle after that really helps. The notes on this candle are rainwater, lavender, vanilla bean, and bourbon, which is kind of like a super comforting blend. It's soft, but still strong. It's not overpowering. It's just really comforting. And I think the tagline for this particular candle is "Smells like a hug." And you know what it does? It does smell like a hug. And I really like the branding here. Cavo also has a playlist attached to each candle that they have, so it's kind of like a whole vibe, and I love that. You can really scent your space with a good scent, put on the playlist, and kind of have that whole experience. And then they have the little QR code where you can scan for the playlists after you have your good cry. So this is a 100% soy wax candle, and something I love that Cavo does here is on their website and on their thank you card, they make a note saying that imperfections in soy candles are to be expected and that they're totally fine. And that is so true for anyone who's ever worked with soy wax. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of frosting, a little bit of like wax expansion, and soy candles will kind of discolor after they're being burned sometimes, or they can cool back to a rough, uneven surface. There's nothing wrong with your candle. 9 times out of 10. But I love that they mention that, so you can kind of expect, you know, a certain reaction from a candle. They even say soy candles are weird, but they burn better. And you know what? I love that. Too true. So that is the candle I ordered from Cavo. Definitely check them out if you want to see what else they have, and also those really cool playlists that are attached to their products. They can be found at shopcavo.com, and let me know what you think.